guys, welcome back to my channel, Joy IELTS. In today's video, we are discussing an IELTS writing technique, the pyramid model for generate ideas. This model can improve your writing efficiency. However, it does have some limitations. It might restrict your creative thoughts. Remember, it is just a reference. Firstly, you need to understand that IELTS writing opinion essay want you to logically analyze the topic from multiple perspectives, considering both pros and cons. Many students struggle with identifying the entrance and argument. So, how can you quickly find discussion perspective? Try this pyramid model. It consists of 3 levels. Top level, the broadest perspective, like culture, education, economy, politics, art, and etc. Try to categorize the topic to this highest level. Second level, this pertains to national, global, or societal sectors, such as a country's education or global economy. Add a new dimension to the top level areas. Base level, the individual level, focusing on specific roles such as teachers, students, and parents. Let me explain with an example. Does social media has negative impact on society? First, let's look at the top level. For media, social media is a form of media and a channel for disseminating information, so we categorize it as a media. Analyze at this level, we can talk about how does social media work as a form of media? What are the pros and cons of this kind of media? Pros: it breaks the time limitation, spread information quickly and widely with less delay. Cons: it makes it easier to spread unverified information since there is no editorial review. Everyone can be content creator. Now move to the next level, middle level. We will talk about from the society dimension. Analyze at this level, we need to ask, what does social media impact on the whole society? What difference has it made for our society? Pros: it allows people to express themselves more freely. Cons: people's attention is often distracted, taking time away from work and study. For example, surveys show that average daily time spent on short videos now exceeds 2 hours. So, it might make our society less efficient. Last, base level. We can talk about from individuals. This level is the most frequently talked level. Analyze at this level, we need to ask, what does social media brought to me and you? Pros: it enhances social interaction, regardless of location or time. Cons: it makes personal privacy more vulnerable to exposure. For instance, individuals might suffer from bullying, leading to severe consequences. So, that's all for the example. It isn't about finding both pros and cons arguments at each level, but rather offering guidance. If you cannot find any arguments at one level, move on to the next. Try the next one. Some topics might only allow individual level perspectives, and that's perfectly fine. Think of pyramid model as a scaffold for developing arguments. When building your database of ideas, use this model as a reference. This is my own database, which is organized according to this pyramid structure. In summary, the pyramid model is a bridge for those struggling to generate ideas. Remember, this is just one way of thinking. In real life, you can dig deeper and find more meaningful perspectives. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to try the pyramid model. Let me know if it works or not. See you next time. Bye-bye.